In this video, Temu unboxing features toys, an engaging playground, a garden bath and feeder, and syringe feeding for rainbow budgies.
For Temu app users, use my code to get these products for just €1. New app users can also get a 100 coupon bundle. Link in description.
Perch with a swing. Perches are usually just simple sticks, but why not upgrade them with a swing and bells? They take up the same space but provide much more engagement for your birds. What I didn't know is that you can find similar perches with better wooden textures that are more suitable for budgies' feet. A true must-have for any budgie cage, practical and fun, all in one. Wireless dual microphone. If you're planning to create YouTube videos, wireless microphones are a game changer. Who knows, maybe I'll even start a podcast about budgies. Having good gear opens up so many opportunities. I've been using wired mics, and honestly, it was a constant struggle. The wires always tangled, and once, the battery died mid-recording, forcing me to buy a replacement. This wireless mic charges with USB, making it much more convenient and hassle-free. Definitely an upgrade. I had trouble with this adapter. It doesn't work unless it's connected to a power source.
And now it's working. I think that was some kind of battery problem. And this is the sound from this mic.
Temu offers free shipping on items shipped from their store and free returns for up to 90 days. Additionally, they have a price protection policy, allowing you to request a partial refund if the price drops within 30 days of your purchase. Playground with toys. I know many of you have seen my do-it-yourself playground videos, but only a small number have actually made one yourself. I get it. It's easier to just buy one. And this playground, it's absolutely worth it. Unlike others that only offer 3 plain sticks to perch on, this one has it all. Water and food dishes, a swing, a ladder, and even a shreddable toy with a bell. Your budgie will love it. Definitely worth the money and time. And of course, you'll need to assemble it. But don't worry, it's simple, and even the tools are included. Another great feature is the metal cleaning dish. Since budgies are little poop machines, this makes cleaning up so much easier and more convenient. Perfect for both you and your budgies. I'll be placing this right next to me on my table so my budgies can stay close while I work. This setup is perfect for building trust and bonding with your budgies. They'll love being near you and you'll enjoy their company. The metal dish is a great feature. Not only is it healthier than plastic, but it's also super easy to clean and prevents bacteria buildup. The only downside is that these dishes are quite deep. To make it easier for your budgies to reach the seeds, I won't fill them up completely, just enough so they can comfortably eat from the top. Feel free to place some fruits or veggies in these dishes. You can even use this as an opportunity to train your budgie to try new foods. Simply stick a piece of fruit or vegetable out of the cup to grab their attention. Budgies often get curious when they're bored perching, and they'll approach the dish. If they nibble and enjoy it, they'll start eating it regularly. humidifier with lights. Since last year, I've been wanting to get a humidifier for my Budgie's aviary. I was concerned that they didn't have enough humidity in the closed section, especially since the heating runs 24 hours during the very cold Balkan winters. This simple USB charging humidifier will be a perfect addition. The heating in the aviary is connected to a sensor that turns it on only when the temperature drops, maintaining a perfect temperature around the clock. However, this also means low humidity. Budgies need around 60 to 70% humidity to stay healthy. It's simple to use, just pour water, hook it up to the USB charger and turn it on. Most people use this next to their computers, as winter heating systems tend to dry out the air. Winter has just started, and looking at this, I can't wait for spring. The humidifier is working great and even has calming lights that can be used as a moonlight. I have new adopted budgies because, why not? They're happy and even went outside to enjoy the weather. Unbelievable. Lotus leaf for birds. Every spring, I try to add a new bathing option for my birds, and this stand is just perfect for my aviary. Yes, it's made for outdoor birds as a feeder and bathing option. But why not use it for my budgies too, for the same reason? And a message for the maker, please create a stand for home budgies too. I had to try it with my budgies. And after the last video featuring the bathtub shower, this is definitely in the number 2 spot as an amazing, engaging bath option for budgies. It's shallow enough that the budgies find it perfect, not too deep to soak their whole bodies, just enough for them to splash water around as needed. Watching birds bathe is one of the most satisfying things about budgies, right after cuddling with them and having them sleep on your finger. I'm going to place this in the aviary and use it as a feeder during the winter time. But in the spring and summer, it will serve as a perfect bathing spot for the birds. Bird feeder house. You probably throw out the leftover seeds from your budgies' bowls, but I do things differently. Since I have an aviary, I give the uneaten seeds to wild birds outside. That's why I think having a bird feeder for wild birds is a must, especially during winter. It feels great knowing you've brought a large group of birds to your garden. Plus, those little sparrows are fantastic for pest control in the summer. A win-win situation. I believe this bird feeder can withstand the harsh Balkan winters and provide daily food for wild birds. As you know, just like budgies need fresh food and water every day, wild birds appreciate consistent care too, especially in tough weather conditions. What do you think? How long will it take to attract birds? A few hours later, they started gathering around in the trees. It didn't take long at all. and they started eating right away. Luckily, I kept a safe distance so I wouldn't scare them off. Extended tripod. I can't even imagine how many times I've needed this while filming my budgies. Sometimes a static tripod just isn't enough, and I need a better angle. This simple extension tripod will definitely help me get even better shots. Chewing toy for birds. This one can be used for larger parrots and looks really fun and unusual. It's a French fries shreddable toy for birds. This will definitely bring some excitement and madness to the birds in the cage. Baby feeding syringe. While searching through Temu listings, I came across this amazing find. As you know, during my previous breeding series, I had trouble feeding baby budgies, and spoons were just way too messy. But this one is definitely a 10 out of 10. Before I get too excited, I still need to try it out, as I just adopted a new baby rainbow budgie. Yes, I am obsessed with rainbow coloring, and I'm proud of it. I'm using a baby feeding formula, and the temperature should be around 40 degrees Celsius before feeding the chicks. This ensures that the formula is warm enough for them but not too hot. You can test the temperature on your wrist to make sure it's just right. They are ready to join my other budgies, but I think he won't refuse to eat some delicious baby food. It's always good to offer a little extra nutrition, especially during transitions.
And that's it. I hope you find something useful and see you in my next video.